How to delete multiple gaps between clips using Ripple Delete. To begin, I added some clips to my timeline and I would like to delete the gaps between these clips. First, click anywhere in timeline to select it. Then go to Sequence, Close Gap, and this will close all the gaps between clips. If you wanted to close some of the gaps and not all of them, just drag the clips you want to close their gaps, then go to Sequence, Close Gap. And this will close only the selected gaps. Another way to close gaps with an adjustment layer is to first create an adjustment layer in your project panel. Then drag the adjustment layer above your clips in timeline and adjust its length. Now select all your clips and drag them into adjustment layer, and then drag them into their original position. Now select all the parts of the adjustment layer, right-click on one of them, and select Ripple Delete. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.